Hi everyone, Marshall here from Eck Automotive in Chicago. Now it's no myth that maintenance is important to keeping your car running and to keep away from costly repairs. Now there's more to it than just bringing your car to a mechanic and having regular oil changes. There's things that you can do yourself, such as checking your tire pressure regularly, because tires that are overinflated or underinflated will wear unevenly and need to be replaced sooner. Another common mistake that people do is overfilling their gas tanks. Once the pump clicks, it's done. And this is because there's sensors in the tank that read the pressure, and if those sensors don't read correctly, it's going to cause your check engine light to come on. Lastly, engines like to operate at a certain temperature. So frequent trips that are very short, the engine doesn't get warm enough, and it doesn't like that. But on the same vein, engines don't want to overheat. So it's crucial that you check your coolant level regularly and make sure that it's filled properly. And again, my name is Marshall and I'm from Eck Automotive in Chicago. Thank you.